Okay, we're back out here in the Elkhart yard. One thing we're going to be taking a look at is we've got a couple trains that are going to be in action here. And right now we got this Norfolk and Southern that's just starting up. It's coming out on the third track here at the Elkhart yard, and what we need to realize is it has been sitting there. One of the things when you take a look at railroading is you got to understand stop and go. For a lot of times trains are stopped because there's only so many tracks to be used at one time and you can't run into each other. That would be bad. So what we have here is this train is now coming out on track 3 going over, I think he's going to be coming over to track 2. And what's going to be happening is now this train is moving, it is earning revenue. For a while it was sitting back there on the siding, and yes, it was sitting there. Yes, that train is an asset. It is something of economic value now or in the future, but it is not earning revenue. So yeah, it's an asset, something of value, but it's not earning anything as far as revenues go. So now we see this train coming out of the yard, and if we were to pan around this other way, Shirley, pan around this other way, pan around this other way, we see we have another train coming into the yard. So here we're earning revenue going both directions. We've got another train that's coming into the yard here. And we're earning revenue heading west. And then we take a look over here at this other train. This other train that's going out of the yard heading east, and we're earning revenue heading east. Great example of what is revenue. And how do we find out about it? We find out about it in the rail yard. So let's kind of watch this train as it kind of rolls by us here, okay? Now it's slow to start. Doesn't mean it's earning revenue slowly, but it's actually just being very safe coming out of the yard here because we have some speed restrictions on these switches here. Hey guys. Another lesson about revenue from the rail yard.